Alright, this is 1/4 inch stainless steel. I'm going to move the head for a nozzle start. I'm using the hand dial, the Y-axis, the Z-axis. Alright, we're going to close it up and we're going to cut that part. Okay, now you have to go up to the window there so you can watch it. There's the page. Alright, so we have it in MDI mode for a manual pallet change. Conveyor's on. We're going to walk down to the load side of the machine here. And it has to be an auto. The pallet has to be set. We're going to take local control here. So it's going to lift up that pallet. It's got these electric eyes, so I can't get any closer. So the other pallet's coming out underneath. It's going to drop down. That's a 5 by 10 foot sheet of 5/16 hot roll. Door's going to close. And then I can raise the balls here for you. So there's the locating balls to move everything around. Then once you're situated, you hit the pedal and the balls drop. And then we'll put this back in auto. And we can actually do a pallet change in the program if I wanted to.